How fast can the Trading Geek analyze a chart? I believe that I can analyze a chart in 5 minutes. Can I do it though? If you believe in me, I want you to go down right now and click on that like button. And if I am not able to analyze this chart within 5 minutes, you can go ahead and unlike the video. That's how confident I am. So right now I have a blank AUD USD charts right in front of me and also a timer right here that is set at 5 minutes. I'm gonna start in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, bam, let's go. Boom. Yo, you can see like right here, I literally just spent 3 seconds doing nothing, wasting time. So right now I just draw a trend line because it's clear as day is a downtrend because price is making lower highs and lower lows. So there is also a support area right here as you guys can see. You can see whenever price comes back down to this area, it always bounces back up. So I'm drawing another resistance area right here. You can see beautiful resistance area. Whenever price up there, it always reverses. So next I go down to the daily time frame to further mark up more support and resistance levels, which is like a little bit more minor, because do note that the weekly time frame support and resistance are so much more stronger than the daily one. So what am I doing right now? Oh yeah, I'm drawing like a little mini trend line, as you can see, mini trend line. So you can see price has just broken out of this mini downtrend line that we have drawn. So yeah, look at me, I'm just perfecting the trend line. Okay, so another resistance area right there. Bam, bam, bam. And you can see price has broken out the trend line, broken out of the resistance, and you can see like price is kind of making an uptrend and it's gonna reverse and head back up. So right now I'm kind of like still deciding whether I should go in for a buy or a sell. So I'm gonna use more tools in my arsenal to help me determine that. So I'm gonna draw a support area right there, and okay, there's still not enough clues for me to determine whether I should go in for a buy or sell yet. So look at me, I'm just like trying to figure it out. Okay, so I went down to the 1 hour time frame, as you guys can see right here, 1 hour time frame, and you can see it was a clear consolidation. That's why I draw a box. Whenever there is a consolidation, I always draw a box, guys, because the last thing you want to do is to trade during consolidation, right? So I stay out of the market when price is consolidating. So right now I want to wait for price to give me some sort of signs that tell me that price is going to break out the consolidation, then I will enter for the trade. So you can see a resistance area that I've marked right there, and let's just wait and see what happens next. Okay, I went down to the 4 hour time frame just to give me like an overall trend direction again and show me like a little bit more on like the price. So we wait. Okay, so what am I doing right now? Just pretty much, I'm as confused as you guys are, alright? But promise me, by the end of these 5 minutes, you will be able to understand what is my decision. So you can see right now, I've drawn support resistance. You can see like right now, price is consolidating within this beautiful box that we have drawn, and this is what price can do, right? The first thing price can do is that price can break out of this box, break out of this resistance area, come back down to retest it and hit up to the next level. So this is the second thing that price can do, right? Price can also continue consolidating around this area and eventually break through the support and head all the way back down, all the way down to this support area. So right now price can either break through the resistance and go up to the next level, the next on the first line that you have seen right there on the charts, or it can break through the box, break through the support area and go down all the way to like the lowest point price went to, the gray area that I have drawn up right there. So you can see like, look at me, I'm just like taunting you guys, showing you guys that yo, I finished and I still have so much time. But yeah, so the rest of this 1 minute, I'm just going to kind of like just trying to think of ways to show you guys what I just mentioned. So yeah, you can see like I think I'm like trying to like really trying my best to show you guys like how to analyze a charts. So right now this is a voiceover. So right now I'm literally watching like this video like with you. So you are watching this chart right now, I'm watching it too, alright? So I'm watching this video with you, and you can see I'm trying to use arrows to further illustrate for you guys like what my prediction is. That's how dedicated I am, boys. I'm literally using arrows And trust me, I have never used arrows before, man. Never in my life, man. I freaking hate arrows. Look at me, like, okay, this is like the first arrow that I can draw. You can see this is what price gonna do. Alright, and then yeah, my arrow got messed up. I don't know how to stop the arrow. And bam, 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 bam. This is just a mess. Oh my god, this is just a mess. Alright, at this point of time, I am pretty much just giving up on drawing arrows. And you can see 5 seconds left. You know what? I was like, F it, man. F the arrows. Yo, time's up, boys. Time's up. So, have I finished analyzing the chart? Please. I finished it in 3 minutes, bro. What are you on about? Yeah, so basically, I spent a lot of time drawing the stupid arrows, and I did not know how to use the stupid arrows. That's why I prefer to use like the drawing tool, like to just like show it out for you guys, cause I am a boomer who does not know how to use arrows. Alright, so right now on AUD USD, so should you enter for a buy or should you enter for a sell? So I've drawn out 2 scenarios for you guys. The first scenario is that price can break out of this current resistance area, come back down, retest it, and then go up to this next resistance area. Right, so that is the first scenario, right? So if I want to enter for a buy, I wait for price to break out, come back down to retest this level, and right here, this is when I can enter for a buy position, take profit at the next key resistance level right here, stop loss place it below this support level. So that is the first way I can enter for this trade, alright? What is the second way? So for the second scenario, the second thing that price can do is that price can go back up to this resistance area, and then maybe like fail to break past this resistance area, gets rejected, and break past this support area instead, right? So if you break past this support area, come back up to retest it and go down, this is when I am looking for sell positions. So if this happens, I'll enter for a sell right here, literally enter for a sell right here, stop loss below, above these support levels, take profit all the way down at this support level right here. But this is honestly like the less likely situation. I think the first scenario is much more likely. But with that said, the market can do anything it wants, and at any point of time it can go wherever it wants, right? So you always want to make sure you react to the market. So that is the second thing that price can do. Another thing that price can do is that price can continue to consolidate within this range here, but sooner or later it will have to break out of this range to either the upside, which is the first scenario that we have discussed, or downside, which is the second scenario that we discussed. So in this case, I would stay out of the market, alright? I will not be trading when price is in this consolidation. I've learned my lesson to never ever trade when price is consolidating. It's honestly a waste of money. You are literally throwing money around. How did I analyze the chart within 5 minutes? Honestly, my students from the mentorship program can analyze 5 or 10 minutes, alright? That is how fast my students can analyze the chart. So you can check out the mentorship program below if you want. I'm not gonna like promote it or anything because we only left like 2 slots. So if you want, you can just DM me, right? I'm not gonna be like shamelessly, oh, we'll buy my mentorship program. Nah, none of that, man. You want, you can join. If you don't want, it's fine, alright? It's totally fine. There's still all these free YouTube videos on here, right? But basically, I'm able to analyze, finish a chart within 5 minutes through 2 things. Number 1, lots of practice, right? I've been trading for a few years, right? I've been looking at charts since 3 years ago, alright? So I've just been looking at charts all the time for 3 years. So with time passing by, 3 years passing by, of course I'm gonna be able to analyze a chart, right? If I still need to take 1 hour to analyze a chart, I'm a goddamn shame, man. I'm ashamed. You can put me to shame. Yeah, but basically when I started out trading in my first year, I remember analyzing the charts was so goddamn hard, man. I literally spent like 1 or 2 hours analyzing one chart, like at UAUDSD, one chart, 1 hour. I spent 1 hour analyzing this exact chart, but right now I can do it within 5 minutes, and that comes with a lot of time and practice and mastery. And the second thing is experience, right? Like I said, I've been trading for a few years, so I know how the market move, right? The market move from one key level to the next key level, and I've seen my market move quite a lot of time. Like it does this kind of movements quite a lot of time. That's why I'm able to understand how price move and why price move. I'm thinking of doing like a part 2 to this video where I literally analyze all the currency pairs in my watch list and try to do that within 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I've done it before, and trust me, I'm able to do it within 15 minutes. If you guys want to see a part 2, make sure you scroll down right now and violate the like button. Smash the like button until it is destroyed. And also hit the subscribe button and like the notification bell button beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I drop that video. And also comment down below how long do you take to analyze a chart. Don't be shy. Let's give each other encouragement. I'll reply to your comment and just like teach you, like give you some tips in general, right? Alright, so comment down below, like, subscribe, and welcome to the tribe. Remember, you're just one trade away from analyzing a chart within 5 minutes.